Welcome back to Takeaway Tuesday, where I do something cool in 2 minutes that involves food. Today I'm doing guacamole. Is this traditional? I don't know. Is it something that I like to eat? Yes, so we're gonna make it. These are your ingredients, find them below. Ready? 2 minutes. First, we're starting with a little Thai chili. Just as much spice as you want. So you can just half that, whatever. You don't have to do a fine dice because we're putting it into our mortar and pestle, where we're actually going to grind it up, crush it nice, maybe a little bit more. You like it spicy in here. We're adding a dash of cumin, a little tiny little bit. Okay, we've got our chili powder. We're gonna add a bit of that as well. A little bit more. Avocado, ripe, you touch it with a little bit of pressure, goes down. Superstore always has ripe avocados. Little fun fact for you, and they're cheap. We've got our pit. Should be doing this with a smaller knife, but I'm living on the edge. Tap and twist. Out it comes. If you wanted to do this nicely, you'd get a spoon and take it out. But we don't have time for that. Squish it in. Holy, this is gonna be over 2 minutes, I can already tell Jordan. Okay, we've got some diced onions. A little bit of those. Little tiny piece of garlic. You always need garlic, come on. In there. A little bit of pepper, little bit of potato. Lime juice. This is where I'm gonna cut myself one day. Oops. Oops. Good. And go. Stirring, crushing. You don't want to do it too much because you have your tomatoes. Just a little bit to get a bit of a consistency going. Okay, garnish with some cilantro. If you like it, I like it a little. So difficult to chop. My old roommate used to always get me to chop her cilantro. She hated it. Shout out Kaisa. Love you. Ah! Okay. Guacamole. Okay. Serve it in the mortar and pestle. Look how impressive that looks. It looks like you know what you're doing. See you next week, where I do something in 2 minutes and you take it away and make it.